A collaboration of business, acumen, and administration skills will help you to take your endeavors to the next level. Conceived with an idea of creating budding entrepreneurs and industry-ready professionals, Mangalam University has joined hands with leading accounting and professional services firms Ernst Young to offer BBA with specialization in business analytics. Curriculum has been designed, keeping in mind the industry requirement focused on the business analytics, using practical business problem as case study. The course will provide insight to the emerging technologies, virtualization, and modeling analysis, using various subjects such as business statistics, financial accounting, data visualization using Tableau, supply chain management, consumer behavior analytics, risk and fraud analytics, etc. KRMU Immersive prepares students to develop applications, design deployment, and provide an accessible way to see and understand trends and patterns in data by using data visualization. Students' analytical skills will be sharpened by educating statistical concepts to advanced analytics and predictive modeling techniques for better decision-making in your dream job or at your own venture. The features of the program: curriculum designed by industry experts, depth knowledge in AI and data and business analytics, mock interview sessions by industry experts, practical hands-on sessions and live projects on 25 plus softwares, free LMS access, 10 plus certificates from semester 1 to final year. Face-to-face classroom sessions from day 1. Internship in reputed organization. Trained professionals are needed by all technologically driven companies across the globe. To name few: Google, Amazon, Swiggy, HDFC Bank, GE Television, and many more. Enroll today at Mangalam University and reserve your opportunity to study BBA in Business Analytics with academic support of Ernst Young. Visit www.krmangalam.edu.in or call us at 0114 8884 888.